everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Marty and I are here at Todd English Food Hall. Food Hall again. Hi, Bubi!
Hello!
So, I was feeling sick kanina. As in, pag-gising ko pa lang, samang na pakiramdam ko. And we think it's because of the portalet sa Pampanga. Madaming germs and all of that. Kaya, oh my gosh. But I started feeling better. I did not go to my appointment kanina. Go see sana sa ABS-CBN. Hindi na ako pumunta. Tapos, si wife pumunta eh. Tapos, I filmed a lot of videos. Sobrang daming videos. Including the giveaway. So, I'll be editing all of that mamaya para ma-upload ko siya agad. Mark and I are celebrating my 7th year on YouTube. So, 7 years na ako, guys. Magawa na videos and all of that. So, yung giveaway will be in a separate video. So, stay tuned for that. I'll upload it before this vlog para makasali kayo agad. And then, ano pa ba? Yan, gusto ko Todd English kasi ang sarap ng bacon sa yung pork chop, pero not available. So, bacon na lang in-order ko.
Home-cured bacon.
Bacon! Ano bacon natin? Ay, anong dessert? Napam. O gusto mo ba tayo sa iba? Kasi iwan ko yung kanina ko ng 7 sa bahay. So, sa bahay na lang tayo mag-blow ng candle. Nag-start ako mag-blow kailan? Last year ba? And this is an early Valentine's Day date. Hi, Bubi!
Hi!
Ano dapat papanood natin mamaya? Ano dapat papanood natin?
The shades darker.
Akadiri. Pero, wala daw si SM Aura, so baka sa Venus na lang.
Kami ng Venezia.
We'll see. I was telling Mark earlier, pop ng pop yung ano ko kanina, shoulder ko. So, ewan ko yung ano yung sakit. Parang ang sakit talaga. Once siya nag-pop before, nung mabigat yung bag ko. Tapos ngayon lang siya nag-pop, sobrang sakit niya. Ang tingin mo, Billy? Dislocate? Hindi lang dislocate.
Hindi. Na ano yan? Nangalay siguro.
I filmed how I styled my short hair video.
Alam ko kung paano.
Paano?
Dito siya mag-film ng short hair video.
Hindi naman.
Ganyan yun. Malagyan mo ng volume ng hair.
So since wala yung pork chop, ito na yung bacon. Ang bilis nila magluto ah. It looks yummy, but that's all mine. That's all mine. Joke lang. Yeah, the Brooklyn style meatball pizza. Ay! And look how thick this bacon is. Woohoo!
How's the meatball?
Sarap.
Diba?
Pure.
Sobrang sarap ng meatball. Pure beef.
And
The pasta. Homemade nila. Na-taste mo na yung pasta. Ayan, taste mo. Tabasit. Ang sarap. Ang sarap.
oh my gosh.
Diba?
By far the best pasta I've tasted.
Diba?
Sarap. Totoo siya.
Totoo. Delicioso.
Our pizza's here. It's the truffle. Oh my gosh. Yung amoy niya, sobrang sarap.
Work with white chocolate though.
Yeah.
Inside is homemade red.
Thank you. Nagbe-melt yung dome. Oh my gosh, this never gets old. It's perfect for Valentine's. Yummy. My lipstick shade for today is from the It's Lip Time palette with Judy and in the shade of Sweet Cherry. Love it! I just want to give a shout out to Rain, friend ni Mark ng One Fine Pinoy Boy. Thank you so much, Rain! Nagpagupit daw si Rain, mahal. Parang short hair kami pareho. So if ever magkita tayo, Rain, let's take a photo together for sure. Bongga tayong dalawa kasi short hair din siya. Like me, twinsies kami. Hi! My gosh guys, si Mingming umiinom sa pool na naman. Mingming, huwag ka dun uminom. Hi, Ning! Ning! Ay, naglilinis ang mukha. Bakit naman?
Ligo time na niya.
Oh, kakainom ko lang ng water na may chlorine. Yay! That's it for the vlog, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye! Kasi it's time-lapsing. Mga pusa kong galing basurahan. Ang pusa kong galing basurahan. Na umiinom sa pool. Nako. Galing. Uy. Sis.
Bobby, you know what?
What? Look at this kitty catty. Talagang sa pool. Aww. My gosh, guys. Look at that. Happy birthday, YouTube channel. Happy birthday, YouTube channel. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, YouTube channel.